Hey there, my name's Luke the Cookin' Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we are positioned near Vail, Colorado. We're at about 8,000 feet and we will be making some Mountain Peak breakfast sandwiches. Now the ingredients you'll need for these breakfast sandwiches are just 2 buns. We're using Kaiser rolls. Then we have 2 slices of pepper jack cheese and a cup of triple cheddar cheese. We have 6 eggs. And then we are going to end up with 8 slices of bacon. Now for this recipe, there's 3 options that you have with the bacon. You can cook it at home and bring it with you. You can get the pre-cooked bacon, or what I've gotten are packages of 4 slices, and all you do is microwave them for 3 minutes, and then out comes crispy bacon. So we'll just let that get crispy. Now, can you even believe bacon that looks like that came out of a microwave? Next, we'll start the best part of the sandwich, I think, and that's the eggs. So now we're kind of gonna make this like an omelet. So I have the skillet on about a medium heat, and we're just gonna crack in 3 of these eggs. And you can just kind of break those guys up. And once they look like that, you can take your slice of cheese, kind of rip it up a little, and then we'll also put on half of the triple cheddar cheese. And then you just try to get up around the edge, and it's okay if it sticks a little, it doesn't have to be perfect. And that is finished. You can scoop it up and set it off to the side. Now an egg will continue to cook after you take it off the heat, so you do not have to cook it like 100% totally done. Now just so everybody knows, if you are camping with a Glamper Camper, you do need to save her a little bit. So we've got her own little eggs over there. And now for the easiest part of this recipe, the assembly. You're just gonna take open your bun and pick up one of your egg cheesy deliciousnesses. You can plop that right on top. Put on 4 slices of bacon, and that is the completed Mountain Peak breakfast sandwich. Well, we've had a great time staying in Vail, Colorado. We definitely recommend you come check it out. And we also hope that you'll try out this delicious recipe. We also saved Zena a piece of bacon. Let's see if she's hungry. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love it if you could enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.